and welcome to Trap Talk TV, your weekly news bulletin power-packed with stories and information that better your business. News this week. The next PATA convention is to be held in Bengaluru.
The format will definitely change. It won't be just a 3-day trade mart. It will be a full week of activity.
We assure you full support, full cooperation from Government of India, Ministry of Tourism.
I assure you, Karnataka, the state of Karnataka, put up a very impressive show.
Dr. Mahesh Sharma discusses the importance of Buddhist tourism.
Prime Minister has got a clear vision to me that Buddhist circuit tourism has to be taken care in all senses.
Canada sets up a target of 165,000 Indian visitors this year.
Canada Specialists is hugely popular. We have 2,500 registered Canada Specialists already that have completed the program. So they're a great selling force for us. They're passionate about Canada, and it's a great online training tool that we're very proud of. So we set a target this year of 165,000 visitors, which is an increase of about 6%. We're already at the end of August. Our numbers track a little behind at 144,000. So we're up 20%, as I mentioned, year to date. It's been phenomenal. July we were up 45%. So we expect that we're going to surpass the target this year.
Air India makes profit on only 9 out of 370 daily flights it operates. Accor opens the Grand Mercure Goa Shrem Resort. It is a 121-room property located in North Goa. Visa on arrival by electronic travel authorization has been launched for 43 countries by the Ministry of Tourism.
तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रैवल अथॉराइजेशन देने के लिए हमने आईटी बेस्ड सिस्टम जो है तैयार किया है.
We have going to launch the electronic travel authorization and visa on arrival for 43 countries.
So you'll be given an authorization papers. Yes, you can now with this endorsement authorization and along with the tickets and the passport you can board the flight.
India continues to be a potential market for address hotels.
People coming in from the India market are very focused on while they want to experience the destination, and I think I've seen a huge more focus on them trying out the food and beverage elements in the area. Shopping still remains a huge priority.
I think that we're really thankful for the support that we get from the India market, and it continues to grow for us. We just know that there's a continuous flow and I think support of guests traveling and visitors coming to Dubai, and we see a continuous growth on that, and we've been thankful to have a really very good support from the market.
Goa tourism moves ahead to make the state safer for tourists.
We have increased IRB policemen, and then even beach safety, then night patrolling. So whoever come down in Goa for to enjoy holidays, they can comfortably even move out even night time without any fear, which is a tremendous increase in tourists because of all these facilities.
We have taken a lot of initiatives. The recent initiative is the Women's Taxi Services in Goa, specially designed for women. It is not that Goa is not safe for women, but it is an initiative we have taken. There are a lot of other things which are in the pipeline in Goa, which are due for maybe in the next 2-3 months, especially the season which is coming.
India Travel Awards North to be held on December 20th at Crown Plaza, Greater Noida. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Trap Talk TV, and do stay connected for more.